Alright, I got this motherfucker running. Just started it up. I'm gonna be selling it. Running right now. Gonna put it back in the garage. Selling it. I'm gonna put it on Craigslist. 67. As you can see, duals. I can't film the whole car. It's on snow because I just pulled it out the garage last night. But, whoa, that's cold. This side right there need to be done over. It's up for sale. Selling it. Just fired it up just now. For sale.